Dubai doesn't try to fit into expectations, it completely redefines them. This is a city where ambition meets imagination, where record-breaking skyscrapers rise from the desert, and where tradition quietly exists alongside bold, futuristic design. One moment you're surrounded by glass towers and luxury brands, the next, you're watching the sun dip behind endless dunes in total silence. That contrast is what makes Dubai unforgettable, but it also creates a challenge. With so much to see and experience, many travelers arrive excited and quickly feel overwhelmed. Too many choices, too little time, and not always a clear idea of what's truly worth it. Here's the reality. 5 days in Dubai is more than enough, if you plan it right. You need a structure that flows, a balance between must-see landmarks and meaningful experiences, a mix of energy, culture, and moments to simply enjoy where you are. After carefully mapping out the most efficient and rewarding route, this is how to spend 5 incredible days in one of the world's most dynamic cities. From iconic architecture and luxury experiences to cultural districts, coastal escapes, and desert adventures, this is your complete Dubai itinerary for 2026. Let's begin. Dubai Essentials: what you should know before you go. Before jumping into the itinerary, understanding a few key details will make your trip far smoother and far more enjoyable. With temperatures often climbing above 50 degrees Celsius, exploring outdoors during that period can be exhausting. The ideal time to visit is between November and March, when the weather is warm, comfortable, and perfect for sightseeing. Next, the layout of the city. Dubai stretches along the Arabian Gulf and is much larger than it first appears on a map. The main areas you'll explore include downtown Dubai, Jumeirah Beach, Old Dubai, Palm Jumeirah, and Dubai Marina, each offering a completely different atmosphere. Getting around efficiently is essential. Dubai isn't built for walking long distances, especially in the heat. Fortunately, the metro system is modern, clean, and connects major areas like downtown and the marina. Taxis are also widely available and relatively affordable. When it comes to payments, Dubai uses the UAE dirham, AED. The city is largely cashless, so having a credit or debit card is important. Travel-friendly cards like Wise or Revolut are especially convenient. And one final tip: preparation matters. Booking major attractions in advance, downloading transport apps, and planning your route ahead of time will save you both time and money. Now that you're ready, let's move into Day 1. Day 1. Downtown Dubai, icons and first impressions. There's no better introduction to Dubai than downtown, the city's most famous district. At the heart of it stands the legendary Burj Khalifa. At 828 meters tall, it dominates the skyline and represents Dubai's vision and ambition. Seeing it up close feels surreal. Head up to the observation decks for panoramic views where the city gradually fades into desert. Right beside it is the enormous Dubai Mall. But this isn't just a mall, it's an experience. Inside, you'll find over 1,000 stores, countless restaurants, an ice rink, and the incredible Dubai Aquarium and underwater zoo, where marine life surrounds you in a massive glass tunnel. For a more traditional atmosphere, step into Souk al-Bahar, a charming Arabian-style market filled with crafts, perfumes, and unique souvenirs. Then comes one of the city's most striking landmarks, the Museum of the Future. Its design alone is enough to impress, but inside, it offers a glimpse into what the world could become, blending technology, imagination, and innovation. As night falls, head to the Dubai Fountain. Set against the Burj Khalifa, this synchronized water and light show is one of the most captivating experiences in the city, and the perfect way to end your first day. Day 2. Old Dubai, Culture and Heritage. After the modern skyline, it's time to discover where Dubai began. Start your morning in Al Seef, a waterfront area that beautifully blends heritage architecture with modern design. From there, explore the historic Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. With its narrow alleyways, wind towers, and traditional homes, it offers a glimpse into life before Dubai's rapid transformation. Next, cross Dubai Creek on a traditional Abra boat, a simple yet memorable experience, and arrive in Deira. Here you'll find the famous Gold Souk and Spice Souk, both full of energy, color, and local character. Later, visit the Dubai Frame. From the top, you'll see a fascinating contrast: historic Dubai on one side and the modern skyline on the other. In the evening, choose between the vibrant Dubai Miracle Garden or the lively Global Village Dubai, both offering unique and memorable experiences. Day 3, beaches and Palm Jumeirah. Today is all about Dubai's coastline. Head to the iconic Palm Jumeirah, a palm-shaped island stretching into the sea. Start with panoramic views at the View at the Palm. For something truly unforgettable, visit Aura Sky Pool Dubai, the world's highest 360-degree infinity pool. At the far end of the Palm, explore Atlantis the Palm. Here, you'll find the thrilling Aquaventure Water Park and the fascinating Lost Chambers Aquarium. Later, unwind at JBR Beach or take a stroll through Dubai Marina, especially beautiful in the evening. Day 4, Abu Dhabi Day Trip. A short journey from Dubai takes you to the UAE's capital, Abu Dhabi. Start with the stunning Louvre Abu Dhabi, where art meets extraordinary architecture. Then visit the breathtaking Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, one of the most beautiful mosques in the world. If time allows, explore Qasr Al Watan or enjoy high-speed thrills at Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. Day 5. Desert and unique experiences. For your final day, step beyond the city and into the desert. A safari in the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve is an absolute must. Experience dune bashing, camel rides, sandboarding, and a traditional Bedouin-style evening under the stars. For something different, consider a sunrise hot air balloon ride, offering breathtaking views of the desert landscape. Or explore the incredible Deep Dive Dubai, a unique submerged city designed for diving. If you're after adrenaline, attractions like IMG Worlds of Adventure or Motion Gate Dubai deliver non-stop excitement. Final thoughts. Dubai is a place of contrasts, where tradition meets innovation, where calm moments exist alongside high-energy experiences, where every day feels completely different from the last. There's no single right way to explore it, but with this 5-day itinerary, you get a perfect balance: the highlights, the hidden gems, and the experiences that truly define the city. Because Dubai isn't just somewhere you go, it's something you feel long after you leave, and once you've experienced it, you'll understand why people keep coming back. See you in the next journey.